What are z-scores in statistics? In this video, we will try to understand that. Z-scores in statistics describe the relationship between a value and the mean of the data that is being observed. For example, if the z-score of a value is 2, that will mean the value is 2 standard deviations away from the mean of the data being observed. Now, this plot shows a normal distribution with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. Point A is 1 standard deviation away from the mean. So, the z-score of point A is 1. Similarly, point B is 2 standard deviations away from the mean. So, the z-score of point B is 2. And point C is 3 standard deviations away from the mean. So, the z-score of point C is 3. Please note that z-scores can be positive or negative. A positive z-score of a value means the value is more than the mean. And if the z-score of a value is negative, that means the value is less than the mean. So, point D, here 1 standard deviation away from the mean, and the value of point D is less than the mean. So, the z-score of point D is -1. Similarly, points E and F are 2 and 3 standard deviations away from the mean respectively, and the values of point E and F are less than the mean. Therefore, the z-scores of points E and F are -2 and -3 respectively. How do we calculate the z-score of a value? The z-score of a value x is calculated using the following formula. Z-score is equal to x minus mu by sigma, where mu is the mean and sigma is the standard deviation of the data. Now, let's look at an example to understand z-scores in a better way. Let's say we have the following data. So, the mean mu of the data is 8 and the sample standard deviation sigma of the data is 4.92 after calculation. Now, let's say we want to calculate the z-score of the value 3. So, the z-score of the value 3 is x minus mu by sigma, that is equal to minus 1.02 after calculation. So, the value 3 is 1.02 standard deviation away from the mean 8, and as 3 is less than the mean of 8, the z-score of 3 is negative. We can also write Python code to calculate z-scores. Interested viewers, please refer to the website of the Security Buddy to know more about how to use Python to calculate z-scores. The relevant links are provided in the description. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please refer to the playlist Statistics for Machine Learning or visit the website of the Security Buddy. The relevant links are provided in the description. You may also want to subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.